Hello and welcome to this video demo of beta version 3.6 of the AI Code Monitor tool. In the current release, we have implemented a few customer-centric features, which I'm going to show you now. The first feature we have developed is displaying the developer names, that is the authors next to the line of code. So for that, you can go to the repositories, and over there, when you open any of these under the repository group, any of the repositories over here, for example, I click on this, we'll be taken to this view where you can see the name of the developers next to the lines of code. So by default, it is displayed. You can toggle it off. So the display of the author names is gone, but by default, you will see the author names. This also shows you, for example, in a given chunk, if the different lines of code were written by different developers, the author names are displayed over here. So this was on the repository detail page. Similarly, when you have done a pull request and you come to the GenAI composition for a particular PR and you're looking at the GenAI usage stats for that specific pull request, even on that page, you will see by default the author name is switched on. You can see the author names against the lines of code for the various chunks. You can again toggle it off. The similar functionality is available at that level too. Now, where does it help is that the senior leaders in the organizations, like the VPs or the engineering managers, they can view the names of the developers and next to the lines of code on the repository detail page and the PR scan detail page, and this will help them reach out to the respective developers who committed the code. So that's quite useful. The second feature that we have worked upon is if you go to the repository, you'll see the various repository groups. Now, if any of the repositories, the files that have been analyzed is zero, like you see over here, analyze zero files, then the stats shown to you is not applicable over here. Now, when the users are viewing this information, the GenAI user stats, this is the critical information that shows that this particular repository has not affected the overall stats at this repository group level. So I'll show you another example. If you go to this particular repository group, if you go down, you can see the analyzed files is zero. So the stats over here for both pure blended, which is GenAI, and then not GenAI, both of them is not applicable. The third one is that under the hood, as usual, we have made improvements in the accuracy, including more varied human data in the training sets. These are the top changes that we have done in this particular version. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share any feedback you have for us. I'm looking forward to share further enhancements on the AI Code Monitor tool in the next video. So stay tuned.